So as a medical professional looking to purchase a motor vehicle, what kind of solutions would you provide?
Yeah, so it really depends on the use of the vehicle, whether it be personal or business use vehicle. Typically speaking, when looking at a medical professional, it would be a business use loan. The great thing about that particular type of loan is there are fast track approval options, essentially using as little information as possible to get that approval. So it's really about fast turnaround time to get you into that car quicker.
Specifically, what kind of products are available?
So traditionally or historically, finance lease was probably the preferred option for a motor vehicle. What we're seeing now is more borrowers are leaning toward a chattel mortgage. The main differences there are essentially the GST implications, but definitely in today's market, more people are leaning toward that chattel mortgage.
How exactly would a chattel mortgage be structured?
That's the great thing about a chattel mortgage. So it can be structured in a way to assist you based on where you are now. So if you're looking to actually pay that car off really quickly and you're quite happy to pay higher monthly repayments, that's an option. But also you can do a longer term loan with a residual or a balloon. And essentially what that does is reduce your monthly outgoings and basically you can spend that money on other things rather than paying off that car really quickly.
That all sounds great. So we've touched on motor vehicles. What if I was looking to purchase medical equipment?
Yeah, so purchasing equipment, very similar to purchasing a motor vehicle. As a medical professional, essentially you want to be able to access that equipment as soon as possible so you can use it in your practice to start generating revenue. So with the lenders that we have access to in our panel of lenders, we're actually able to not only finance that equipment 100%, but access fast track approvals. So essentially, as long as the equipment is up to about 150,000 in value, we can essentially get you a same day approval. So what that means for you is rather than worrying about organizing finance and that waiting time before settlement, you can actually have that piece of equipment in your practice and you can start using it.
All sounds nice and easy. If someone had a specific scenario that they wanted to discuss, how would they get in contact?
Yeah, absolutely. So at the end of the video, will be a QR code. Scan that code, enter your details, and I'll be in contact. We can discuss a specific scenario.
Thanks, Daniel.
Thank you.